What is human nature? It's more than just a connection. It's a cycle of beautiful ideas. It inspires a belief that where we create can affect what we create. That design should have seamless options. A skinny plank that creates new possibilities. That sustainability isn't a choice, it's a requirement. That when geometry fuses with nature, beautiful things happen. It starts from the ground up, influencing the ways we tinker, toy, and imagine. We know that carpet tile can't change the world, but it can inspire those who will, shaping ideas in spaces of every size. Introducing the Human Nature Collection by Interface, a foundation for beautiful thinking.